Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. This is going to be very brief. I just want to tell you, for the first time in 7 years, I have awesome news. The trolls are actually on the run a little bit right now. And one of them said he got a phone call from a long distance number. That's all he would say, which tells me that's not local police. So that is very, very good news. This site has been making massive differences already in my life and for my family. We have 20 members already. I'd like to get that up there a little bit because the idea truly is to help other victims. And there's 20 to 30 victims listed on the same site of the people that are attacking my family. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you the good news. Things are happening. There's so much evidence coming out. If you go onto the homepage, click the case lists, and then you'll find, let me see if I can do that. I'm holding the camera in my hand, and Michelle's bumping my arm. If you click on the case list, click on Troy. Here we'll have all the different people listed, each person as they come. If you know somebody being harassed, tell them to join us. We'll help them for free as we can in a legal manner. Michelle, please get off my arm. Thank you. And click on evidence files, and in here you have all the evidence so far that Michelle, all the evidence so far here lined up, and you'll see how many views that people got. But here is all the details of all the stuff, of the things that people have done using their own words in their own videos as evidence, nothing else. This is pure evidence here, unlike how the trolls generate garbage and say, I have proof, but Troy erases the proof. Well, that's not true. I have proof, and here it is to read. Check it out, guys. Good news today. Anyway, I do have a video and, well, some videos. Back to our normal daily programming, and let the authorities do their work in the background. Please come on over here and see the real story of what's been going on for 7 years. And if you feel like it, help out. If you know victims, tell them to come on over here. Let's make a difference in people's lives. Now back to your normal programming. Talk to you later.